Welcome to Upmarketing.tech. Hi, this is Srinivas. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you could use your Facebook profile as a sales mission to start generating leads as well as book appointments. So we're going to do that with the help of Facebook Marketing Bundle. So we got some automatic prospecting tools so that you could start using these tools to get connected to your target audience. So we have 10 different tools. Each tool does a unique activity in order to automate the lead generation part. So I'm going to take you through each software. So Client Prospector is the first software we're going to use to start getting connected to our targeted audience. So let's say, for example, you have joined to few groups where you think your targeted audience are. For example, right now I'm in a group called Extraordinary Coaches in Business, and I could start using this Client Prospector tool as it is a Google Chrome extension. I could just click on this Client Prospector tool and then start putting all the keywords which I wanted to target. And once I start running this tool, it'll start getting connected to these people by sending a friend request as well as a welcome message. So this way you could connect with your targeted audience and make them friends. Once you see that these people are in your network, then you could use another software called Genius Messenger. We also call this client CRM, where you could go ahead and label all your friends. You could sync all your friends in here and then label all your friends and see who is your newly added friend, who said yes to your offer, who said no to your offer, something like that. And once you label the friends, you would be able to even start sending broadcast messages. You could create different message segments so that you could send unique messages every time when you are sending a message. And you could start sending a broadcast message so that everyone are receiving a message from your end. So right now I'm running a broadcast right now. There are about 775 people in the list. It sent about 22 messages already. So you could go ahead and check your messenger and you'd be able to see what all the messages it have sent before. So you could see there are a few messages which went automatically, and there are labels to those contacts whenever there is any activity happening with that contact. So likewise, you could track what's happening with your friends as well as the conversations, so that you could use these conversations as labels and create a pipeline for yourself. So once you're done, following up with the people, you would be able to also get them engaged with your content, right? So we got different tools like Story Prospector. Story Prospector will help you to post stories on your Facebook and then start automatically sending some message segments to the people who react to those stories. So if someone likes your story, that you could send a different message. If someone give a poll to your story, then you could start sending a different message. So likewise, you would be able to automate your Facebook stories and start reaching out more people who watch your stories. Similarly, we have another tool called Content Scheduler, where you would be able to start posting content on your Facebook personal profile. Believe me, this is the only tool which is available in the whole market which could help you schedule content on your Facebook profile. Generally, you get tools to schedule content on your Facebook page or something like that. But yes, this tool could schedule content on your Facebook profile, and also in any group where you have rights to post. Like for example, you join any public group and you think you could share your content in there. You could go ahead and connect all those groups into this content scheduler and start posting your content in any group and also on your personal profile. Similarly, I've explained you about the Genius Messenger CRM, where you could label people based on their conversation and see how many people are in your pipeline and how many people are out of your pipeline. Likewise, we got prospect remover. Because we have Facebook limit of 5,000, we won't be able to sometimes get more audience in that list. So sometimes whenever you see an inactive people, who is not engaging with your post or not replying to your messages, something like that, you could go ahead and deactivate those people with just one click. So this prospect remover would help you to deactivate the inactive friends from your list, so that you could add more people and get more out of the 5,000 list. We got ad swiper also. This is very useful for the people who run ads. So let's say, for example, you got a competitor, and that competitor is running a really wonderful ad on your Facebook, for example. So sometimes when you go to your feeds, you'll be able to see a lot of sponsored ads. So if you see that the ad belongs to your competitor, and whoever who is liking that particular ad, or else even sometimes commenting on that ad, must be your targeted audience also. So let me close this quickly. Yeah. So here, for example, there is an ad over here. Search Initiative seems to be my competitor. So he's talking about website traffic at SEO, etc. You could also see that about 53 people who have liked this post. That means all these 53 people might be my targeted audience. So with the help of ad swiper, you would be able to simply copy this ad based on the interest they are targeting, based on the locations they're targeting, and start running a similar ad on your account, so that you would be also able to reach similar audience, whoever they are targeting, so that you could save a lot of time. And also we got client responder. Sometimes when we post something on our profile, or else on any group, you get a lot of comments, and it's really difficult to reply to those comments one by one, right? So in that cases, client responder will help you to go ahead and automatically respond to all your comments. We have also mover shaker to find out top influencers and influencer posts. So if you have any influencers in your industry, if you want to go ahead and reach out to the people who have liked or engaged with that particular post, you could use this mover shaker in order to reach out your similar targeted audience. We got client scripts to save a lot of scripts. You might have a team who might be working for you, so you wanted to share some scripts so that they could use that scripts on day-to-day basis. You could simply add any scripts over here, and then just add your team members to this particular client script, so that everyone are on the same page, and you talk the same thing to your clients with whoever who is joining your team. We also have client filter to filter out feeds. So sometimes we see a lot of ads on our feed. We don't want to look into the ads. We just wanted to look into our targeted audience feeds, so that we could engage, and then we could build more networking. Then you would be able to use this client filter to filter out the feeds, and start engaging with the posts where you think you have to put some time. So this way you would be able to build your network, and obviously once you do a lot of engagements on social media, then social media will put you further and make sure that a lot of people are reaching you through your organic reach. So that way client filter can help you out in reaching your targeted audience. In the same way, you would be able to also get promoted organically. We have client wisher. So once you have a lot of friends on your Facebook, you would see some or other who would be celebrating their birthday on Facebook, right? So you would be able to wish those friends by just by sending a message, or else even trying to post something on their timeline with a picture or something like that, so that it is automated, so that you don't have to do it every day. It's just like set and forget, so that it works for you on behalf of you. You really don't need to work on it on every day. So once you wish the people, obviously you are engaging with all these people is because you wanted to create your own community, right? So you would the best thing what you could do is you could create a Facebook group, or else even a Facebook page, and start inviting all your friends to that Facebook group through automation. So this client invite could help you to invite all your Facebook friends to your group, or else to your page, so that you could start growing your community. And once you have a big community, you will start seeing good results coming out automatically. So client invite would be able to do that. So together we are all giving this software as bundle, so that you would be able to automate each and every activity on your Facebook profile, so that your Facebook profile is acting like a sales mission rather than just a normal profile. So once you integrate automation to your Facebook profile, then there is a good number of reach, and then you'd be also able to see a lot of people coming to you, and instead of you reaching out people, once you start building out your network. So this bundle would cost you $99 per month, and we are also offering a 7-day trial. So with just $1, you'd be able to get the access to all these softwares, and then you'd be able to start even testing out these softwares and see if these softwares add value. If you have any more questions, please do book an appointment with us in the below calendar so that we could jump on a call and then take you on one-on-one session. Thank you.